Hi everyone, welcome to codekarlebro. Today we will learn about conditional statements in shell script. So let's get started. I'm going to write a script for conditional statement. So it would be decision.sh. Okay. After that, I think you know all these six: bin, bash, declaring two variable. Right now I'm writing a script where two numbers can be compared, that which one is greater, right? We will use conditional operators like greater than, less than, or equal to sign, and we will see that how it is working. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to declare one variable which is a, whose value will be 4, b, whose value will be 6. Now there are three conditional statements. First is if, second is else if, third is else. If, where condition matches, then it will print that thing. Else if the first condition is not match of if, it will go into the else if condition, and it will try to match. If it will match, then it will go into that. Otherwise, it will go in the else condition. So that's what we will learn today. Okay. If, and to access a variable, we have to use a dollar sign. Always remember that in shell script. For greater than sign, we have to use minus GT. You can also use that operator, which is greater than, but right now, to show you a new thing, we are going to use greater than sign. Okay. After that, we have to give like this. Then I think this is very straightforward statement, which you can understand that if A is greater than B, just I'm printing that A is greater than B. Okay. Now, if this condition is not true, how we will handle it? We have to use elif, because in shell script, this is what else if means. Here we are using elif. $A. Now we are taking care of if A is less than B, right? There could be three things. Whether A can be equal to B, A can be greater than B, or A can be less than B. So A greater than B we have put in the first statement. Now second statement is A less than B. Okay. So we will just use same thing. So two conditional statements we have written it, and I think it is clear also to you that we have provided. Now third will be else condition. In else condition, we do not have to put any conditions, because if condition, in if and if condition, we have to only put a condition. That is the rule. And else condition, if you will put condition, it will throw exception. Okay, so always remember that only in if and elif condition you have to put a condition. For else, it will always whatever you put in the statement, it will print it. Means if and elif will not match, then it will always go in the else condition. Okay, so I will just say here now we have to use to end the conditional statement, we have to use fi. In the shell script, you have to do like this. So according to the shell script, in which condition it will go? It will go where A is less than B, because 4 is less than 6. So it should print 4 is less than 6. So let's run this shell script and see what it is printing. Okay. So first we have to give the permission of execute this shell script. Now we have given the permission. Now let's run it. Decision.sh. See, 4 is less than 6. So it has printed the this statement. $A means A is less than B, which is correct. 4 is less than 6, so it has printed this one. First it has gone to this one. It has compared that value is the result of this is false. So if the conditional statement is false, it will not go to that, right? It will go to the conditional statement where the value will be true, right? So in the first condition it became false, so it gone into the second condition where its condition became true, and when it became true, then it printed that 4 is less than 6. Okay, I think you have understood this part. Now I am going to show you how we can pass parameters like as a user input. Okay, because we have seen with the hard coded value. Now we will see that how user input can be involved in this to check that which value is greater than which. Okay, so here we have to use $1. $1 means the first argument. Okay, in shell script we have to write like this, and $2 will be the second argument. Okay, now everything will be same, nothing will be changed, only the $1 and $2. You need to understand that $1 will be our first parameter which we will pass with the shell script. $2 will be the second argument, and after that we will compare that how it is working. So it is a dynamic, it is a user input based shell script, which I am telling you also with the conditional statement, so that you can learn this thing too. Okay, so let's save this. Now to run this shell script we have to provide the argument means two value which we want to compare. So for example, I want to compare 89 and 76. Okay, so this is two argument. So in $1 89 will go, and in $2 76 will go. Okay, now we will compare these two value, that which one is greater, right? So 89 is greater than 76, so it has printed, right? Similarly you can give whatever value you want, right? 1999 and 2999, right? 1999 is less than 2999. So anything you can give. It is a dynamic way to provide a user input, and this conditional statement can work for whatever the two value you will give. Okay, similarly let's see it. -1 4. So -1 is less than 4, which is correct, right? Let's see -5 and 4. -5 is less than 4, which is correct statement, right? So anything you can do with this argument based shell scripting, means user can provide input according to the conditions, and can get the result out of it. Okay, I think you have understood conditional statements today. And we want you to share this video if you like this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And if you think if you want to know anything specific in the shell script or any other tool, just let me know in the comment box. I will try to explain that thing in my next video. Also follow my Instagram page, codekarlebro. Okay. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.